30 seconds.
So we've been sitting under the mothership for the best part of an hour. We've climbed up to 45,000 feet and we're getting ready for launch. And it's like being on an airliner, you can hear that background noise from the engines.
Power heat is off, stick forward, thumb up trim, CSS, check.
The pilots are doing checks up front, and then it'll be 20, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, release, release,
3,
release.
2, 1, release, release, release.
Just for a few seconds, those engines have all disappeared. The mothership has sprung up and away, and so is complete silence. What I love about Unity is she is a delight to fly, and she's a beautiful glider, and we are able to execute a beautiful runway landing in her.